the secret to youthful, smooth, and glowing skin, a single leaf that has been used for centuries, but hardly anyone knows it can turn back the clock on your skin. Sounds unbelievable? Yet, recent natural beauty discoveries have revealed that bay leaf, that simple spice, can help fade fine lines, tighten sagging skin, and restore that youthful glow. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change your skincare routine forever. Hi friend, welcome back to Essential Cures. We all know wrinkles and fine lines are natural signs of aging, but for many, they start showing up earlier than expected. Sun exposure, stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, and pollution all speed up the aging process. But before you reach for expensive creams or painful treatments, nature offers a safer and surprisingly effective remedy, the bay leaf. This common kitchen spice does more than flavor your food. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural oils that rejuvenate your skin from within. Let's dive into how it works, how to use it, and why so many people are now calling it the natural anti-aging leaf. Why bay leaf is a secret skin healer. Bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis, contains strong antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and polyphenols that fight free radicals, the main cause of premature aging. These free radicals damage skin cells, leading to wrinkles, dullness, and sagging. Bay leaf's natural compounds help boost collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm and elastic, improve blood circulation, gives your skin a fresh, glowing tone, tighten pores, makes the skin smoother and reduces visible fine lines, detoxify the skin, removes impurities that make the skin look tired and aged. How bay leaf reduces wrinkles and fine lines. The secret lies in its natural oils and antioxidants. When used consistently, bay leaf water or oil helps hydrate dry skin, preventing the formation of deep wrinkles, reduce inflammation and puffiness, giving a smoother look, tone and tighten loose skin, especially around the eyes, mouth, and neck. Bay leaf's compounds penetrate deep into the skin layers, repairing damaged cells and encouraging new skin growth, naturally restoring firmness and youthfulness. How to use bay leaf for wrinkle-free skin. Here are 2 powerful methods you can try at home. Bay leaf steam facial. 1. Boil a handful of bay leaves in 3 cups of water for about 10 minutes. 2. Remove from heat and lean your face over the steam. Cover your head with a towel. 3. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes to open pores and allow the antioxidants to penetrate. 4. Rinse your face with cool water and apply a gentle moisturizer. Result: this deep cleansing steam removes toxins, tightens pores, and rejuvenates tired skin almost instantly. Bay leaf anti-wrinkle toner. 1. Boil 5 to 6 bay leaves in 2 cups of water until the water reduces slightly. 2. Let it cool and store it in a spray bottle. 3. Use it daily as a facial mist or toner after cleansing. Result: it refreshes your skin, reduces fine lines, and improves texture over time. Bonus: bay leaf and honey anti-aging mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of bay leaf powder, or finely crushed bay leaves, with 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of rose water. Apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. This mask deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and tightens your skin for a smoother, more youthful appearance. Real results take consistency. Like any natural remedy, bay leaf works best with consistency. Use these treatments 2 to 3 times a week, stay hydrated, and eat antioxidant-rich foods to boost your results from within. Who knew that something as simple as a bay leaf could be a natural anti-aging miracle? It's affordable, safe, and effective, straight from nature. So before spending hundreds on chemical creams, give this humble leaf a try. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who wants to look younger naturally, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful natural beauty secrets every week.